regulating behavior. Legal method studies how law functions as a tool of social order, justice, governance, social change. Key functions of law: regulation of conduct, law and order, dispute settlement, protection of rights, social control, social change, legitimization of state power, promotion of justice, economic and social welfare, predictability and stability. 1. Maintenance of law and order. Core function: law defines what is right and wrong, acceptable and unacceptable in society. Purpose: to prevent anarchy, maintain peace and security, and promote harmonious coexistence. How? By laying down rules of conduct and attaching consequences, sanctions, for violations. Example: the Indian Penal Code, IPC, punishes theft, Section 378, murder, Section 302, and assault, Section 351, to prevent harm to individuals and the community. Traffic laws regulate road usage to prevent accidents. 2. Dispute resolution. Core function: provides orderly mechanisms to settle disputes peacefully. Purpose: prevents people from resorting to self-help or violence to solve conflicts. How? Courts, tribunals, and alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, ADR, such as arbitration, mediation, conciliation, provide platforms for resolution. Example: Civil Procedure Code governs civil litigation. Family Courts Act provides special courts for family matters. Arbitration and Conciliation Act promotes ADR methods. 3. Protection of rights and liberties. Core function: safeguards the basic freedoms of individuals from unjust encroachment by others or by the state. Purpose: to ensure dignity, equality, and autonomy of individuals. How? Fundamental rights in the Constitution, human rights statutes, and remedies, such as writs, protect individual liberties. Example: Article 14 ensures equality before law. Article 21 protects life and personal liberty. Writ of habeas corpus ensures protection against illegal detention. 4. Social control. Core function: law acts as an agent to regulate behavior in line with social expectations and values. Purpose: to maintain social order and conformity. How? Law prohibits harmful practices and prescribes acceptable standards of conduct. Example: Dowry Prohibition Act prevents dowry demands. Prohibition of Child Marriage Act discourages child marriages. Environmental laws control pollution. 5. Social change. Core function: law is used deliberately to reform society, correct injustices, and achieve progressive goals. Purpose: to address outdated customs, eradicate social evils, and promote equity. How? Through new legislation or judicial activism, law adapts to changing social needs. Example: Abolition of Untouchability, Article 17. Hindu Succession Amendment Act, 2005 granting equal inheritance rights to daughters. Laws banning manual scavenging, child labor. 6. Legitimization of state power. Core function: provides lawful basis and limits for the exercise of authority by the state. Purpose: to prevent abuse of power and ensure governance according to law, rule of law. How? Constitutional provisions define powers of legislature, executive, and judiciary. Administrative law controls executive action. Example: Separation of powers doctrine ensures checks and balances. Judicial review safeguards against arbitrary executive action. 7. Promotion of justice. Core function: achieving fairness in the relationships between individuals and between the individual and the state. Purpose: to secure legal, social, and economic justice for all sections of society. How? By formulating laws that reflect principles of fairness, equity, and reasonableness. Example: affirmative action, reservations for SCs, STs, OBCs. Article 39 mandates free legal aid. Consumer Protection Act ensures justice to consumers. 8. Economic and social welfare. Core function. Law seeks to promote the welfare of citizens, especially vulnerable groups. Purpose: to reduce inequalities, protect the weak, and promote common good. How? Welfare legislation in labor law, consumer law, social security, and environmental protection. Example: Minimum Wages Act ensures fair wages. MGNREGA provides guaranteed employment. Food Security Act ensures food access. 9. Predictability and stability. Core function: provides a predictable framework within which people can plan their conduct and interactions. Purpose: to ensure security in legal relationships and promote trust in institutions. How? Codified laws, precedents, and consistent application of legal principles provide certainty. Example: contract law ensures enforceable agreements. Commercial law enables secure business transactions. Property laws protect ownership rights. Thinkers' perspectives. Roscoe Pound, Law as Social Engineering. John Austin, Law as Command plus Sanction. H.L.A. Hart, Primary and Secondary Rules. Savini, Law as Historical Product. Summary. Law and order, prevent disorder. Dispute resolution, settle conflicts peacefully. Rights protection, safeguard freedoms. Social control, enforce norms. Social change, promote reforms. Legitimacy, define state power. Justice, ensure fairness. Welfare, promote well-being. Predictability, certainty, stability. Conclusion. Functions of law are interrelated and complementary. Essential for justice, order, welfare. Foundation for legal reasoning in legal method.